baby, you need this wig. Low maintenance, it's Yaki texture. You can style it numerous different ways. The highlights give you a little pop. Hello spring. Alright y'all, so my friends over at RPG Show sent me this Yaki texture highlighted wig. It's to die for. And I knew I was going to be keeping this wig on for a while, so I made sure I moisturized my scalp very well. So I'm just going to show you guys what I did to get my wig long lasting. And you see, all I had to do was tint my lace, and that was it, because their wigs come ready to go. Like no plucking, no bleaching, any of that. And you see the parting area looks amazing. So that's one thing you can guarantee when you do order your wigs from RPG Show. I do like to cut off my side tabs before I install my wigs, just to make sure that it lay easy and lasts, because one thing you need to make sure you do is put some glue on those side tabs, because if not, that really be like the first thing to lift. Like I said, I knew I wanted my wig to last, so I used this Ebon holding spray. And girl, that's why I kind of made a mistake, because I was trying to just spray it on the lace, but it actually ended up seeping through and got on the hair. And just like that bottle says, 20 times hold, that's exactly what it did, because baby, my hair was stuck together. Look right here, the hair was literally stuck together. I couldn't even pull it apart. Like, I tried to use some water. Nope. Girl, I had to use some alcohol to actually get it off of the hair. So if you do go get that holding spray, or if you have it, make sure you only spray it on your actual lace and not your hair, unless you just do not want it to move. Because just like that bottle said, it won't move, honey. But it did make my install last. And after I went to the gym, which y'all gonna see later on this video, I used it again to make sure my wig lasted for a few more days. Okay. And really, my original plan was to do this wig with no baby hair, but yeah, it just wasn't given for me, so I ended up changing that. But that is the reason why I end up adding even more holding spray around the edges, because I thought I was going to leave them pushed back, but I didn't. So that is all I did for the first night. And then the next day, here I am. And yeah, that baby it has some serious hold to it. And you can see this Yaki texture is bomb. I didn't even have to flat iron my hair the first day. I just put the wig on and that was it. But later on that day, I just wasn't feeling it pushed back like that. So I did my usual baby hair. And yeah, you know, this is a personal preference. I'm a baby hair type of girl, maybe because I got like kinky little coarse edges, and a lot of other people actually have nice soft baby hair, so they really don't have to mimic it on their wigs. But baby, I don't, and I like to mimic baby hair, nice big fluffy hair. So there you go. That's how I do my baby hair. So, you know, just do what make you happy, and don't knock the next person for them doing something that makes them happy that doesn't fit with your happiness. You know, let's all be happy within ourselves. So right here, I'm switching my part over to the side. Look at all this parting space in the middle. It's like you have 6 inches in the middle, but you have like maybe 2 inches of parting space on the side, like from temple to temple. Okay, y'all, so it is day 4. You don't have to do much. Like, I just get up, brush it, and that's it. And I haven't flat ironed it or anything, and everything pretty much just goes into place. See that? But today I'm actually going to flat iron it a little. Like if you used to wear it in a pony, it's really thick, deep parting. You don't have much on the side, but you know that's okay, because you have all of this parting space in the middle. Is this light today? Bright? I ain't trying to be that light, okay? I'm trying to be brown skin girl. Okay. I am brown, not light. Don't play with me. So cute. This is an everyday wig, baby. And then the slight highlight in the front, like it's just not doing too much, just a little extra. This lip gloss is those my sisters. I feel like I had to come back on and show y'all my lips. I'm procrastinating. I gotta go take pictures and I don't want to. And on top, I'm actually procrastinating because I don't want to go take pictures, even though I know I have to because my tripod broke. Let me go take them really quick. This, like, this area of my face is just flawless. It looks so good. It's like my concealer, or is it like the eyeshadow? Because you know, like the pinky mauve shades they be getting. All right, I'm talking too much. Y'all look at all these brushes, first of all. And these are the brushes that I do not use. They in here deep. I just pulled them out today because I need a different to do my contour. These are the brushes that I actually use every day that I need to clean ASAP. See, I use these brushes every day. I'm tired of doing this. I'm not doing this anymore. I'm ready to be 34 and I'm still like, jeez. I know I look young, but baby, let it go. All right, y'all. Okay, so I went out and took pictures and they turned out so good. I'm trying to see, how do I want to style this? I want to do something else besides my side part. No part. The no part is eating. Okay, yeah. Let me take some pictures like this. Figure out what kind of style I'm gonna do. I don't know, but yeah. And while I was doing my style, I was on TikTok and this little girl came up on my feed and I just could not stop crying just from her like giving the message and the word of God. Like, I can't even remember what she was even talking about, but baby, it did something to me. So God, please bless her, bless me, bless this world that we live in. Now back to this video. All right, I'm done with this style. I'm ready to go take a few pictures and that's it. Okay, so my hair is still like this, but guess where your girl at? Can you see? I'm at the P. I'm so proud of myself. I actually made it to the gym. Yeah. Oh, okay, you see my lace lifting a little bit, but that's because I was trying to be cute and not wrap my hair, which I should have, but I just didn't. But I have my wrap cap, so I'm gonna put this on my head until I stop sweating. Basically, that's gonna be like after I go home and take a shower. Okay, where did that come from? God, it must have been underneath my wig. Oh yeah, I was sweating, baby. Yeah, so all this is going to do is just allow the glue to adhere again. And then we'll check it again later. And I got to go to Walmart. And guess what? I'm ready to go in there like this because it's just Wally World. Like, next time I come to the gym, be listening to these same songs like, I agree my and be my bitch on YouTube. I don't have anything. Nothing. And don't you turn on me for she just asked me for some money. And baby girl, it's 2023. I don't nobody carry cash. All right, now let me go to Walmart because I'm playing. Next time I do this, I'm gonna bite my finger because I need to stop doing that. But yeah. All right, so this is after I went to Walmart, I came home, showered, all of that, and I'm removing the pins, and look how easy I'm able to just move this Yaki hair over. So before I even work on my edges, I'm going to flat iron the hair just so I can get some shape to it. And then look, just from me leaving my wrap cap on, you can see how the wig has just like adhered back to my head. So it was still pulling up just a little bit, like a little sticky residue. So I went back in with that 20 times whole Ebony spray. Because, baby, that ain't no joke. Okay, so right here, I'm putting the wrap cap back on and then tying down my scarf and make sure I have my ears out. Because if not, you will be crying in the middle of your sleep. So enjoy the rest of the video. And that's just going to be the next day and how I wore it, which was a side part. So, yeah. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys next time. Let me know what you think about this video here. Love you. Bye.